Hi guys, guess what? Today I have the Sony FDR-AX33, but the problem is, where is the Sony camera? Bang! Here it is! Magic mode! I'm joking. So this is it, the Sony FDR-AX33 is the second 4K camera that Sony have made, and it's the second in the AX series. I'm gonna open it up. I haven't even opened it up yet. Open it up and see what's inside. Let me just open that stupid thing. As always, they give us 15 different manuals, like you can see here. And also, they have some instruction on the box. You can't really go wrong, can you? I'm gonna pull out the camera. This is the camera, I believe. Try not to damage it. That's it, that's the camera. And then this is for the charger, I believe. Then you got the plug. And you've got another wire. I don't know what that is for, I'll find out in a second. And I've got the HDMI cable. Yeah. Oh, finally, the battery. Here it is. This is it. So I have everything here. I'm gonna chuck this away. I don't need that. So going through the manual, it doesn't come with a projector. So this is the reason why they provided us with a HDMI cable to connect it to your TV or your laptop, whatever you want. Going back to the camera, I have the battery. I'm gonna put it in and turn it on. Let's see if I can get it in there.
"2,000 years later."
So, I mean, you can't actually put it in from there. I was actually trying that. I've just realized that you have to start halfway in the middle and then clip it on. So I have managed to do it, and I'm going to turn it on. Okay, it doesn't turn on because the battery is dead. What I'll do is I'll make some clips, I'll record some videos, and put at the end of the video to show you guys what actually 4K video looks like. But in the meantime, I'll show you, I believe this is this is the wire to connect to your charger, so you'll have to charge it through this. And this also connects to your laptop or computer to transfer files, internal files, because in here you got the SD card slot. So if you have the SD card, if you're using the SD card, you don't really need to connect this. You can just get the SD card out and just put it into your computer, or if you have a different connection to do it, which will make more sense than having this little thing in the computer connected in. Other than that, I mean, right here you got a little mini door. If you open it up, you can connect your microphone through here and your headset, and there's a little connection for the HDMI. So this is where you connect your HDMI, I believe. No, actually I'm wrong. That's not what it is. It says multis. I think it's a multi-connection supply. HDMI, I mean, yeah, there you go. This is where you connect your HDMI, and that's where the power button is. And yeah, here you go. I can see the speaker here. This is the speaker, so if you are recording and you want to play something on the screen here, if you want to play something on the screen here, then this is the speaker. And that's about it. That's it, guys. I don't think you want to see my face any longer. It's gonna get a bit too much. So like, comment, subscribe. If you do want to see a product that you've seen online and you want me to review, please let me know in the comment below. Thank you again.
So guys, here I am recording outside my house on 4K, just to give you guys a quick demonstration how it looks. I've got my little brother behind me who might start screaming in a sec. I'm gonna actually zoom in to see. I mean, well, I was already zoomed in. Look at that, wow. It's not that bad compared to what I thought. This is me zooming out. There you go. This is me zooming in to the max. This is amazing actually.